Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Metro by T-Mobile account, simple guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the Metro by T-Mobile URL in the address bar. Press the enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page has loaded, look for the account option at the top right of the screen. Click on the account option. You will be redirected to the login page. Locate the fields for your login credentials. In the first field, enter your Metro by T-Mobile phone number or email address. In the second field, type in your account password. Double-check that both entries are correct. Next, look for the Sign In button below the password field. Click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into your account. If you encounter an error, verify your information and try again. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, you can manage your account settings and view your information. That completes the login process for your Metro by T-Mobile account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.